everyone, today given this network setup, configure the switch with the following. So number one, hostname of lab01. So this is the switch. Click the cell I, then enter. Type enable, config, terminal. Then number one is the hostname. Hostname plus lab1 01. And then, line ko number 2, console password of nasaktan. Type lang console 0, line console 0, then password nasaktan. Password nasaktan. Then log in, then exit. Next, enable password of nag-move on. So, enable password nag-move on. So, enter then line PTY04. The next password, next number 4, tenant password of nagmahal. So, password nagmahal. Then, login, exit. Next, allow only one tenant port to access the switch via video. Interface, VLAN 1, interface, VLAN 1, then, IP address, then IP address, DHCP. So, that's it. Then, type no shutdown. No shutdown. Okay? Then next, exit. Next is we need to go number 6, enable port security where only the professor laptop can be allowed to access the network to any available port on the switch. So this is the laptop professor. Then click the laptop. I click the connection, then go to straight line. Then pass internet, then go to pass internet 1. Then that's it. Then go to CLI again. Just type interface /1, enter. Then switch port mode. Oh my god. Access. Come on. Switch port mode access. Then switch port security. Need access. Then switch port security. Then switch port security maximum 1, then enter, then switch port security MAC address. Violation shutdown. Violation shutdown. So next, switch port security MAC address TP. That's it. Then exit. Then do run. So as can you see, there are no As can you see, there are no MAC address available. So, we need to ping each fast internet. Oops, okay. Then, go to laptop. We need to check DHCP. So, that's it. Now, we need to ping Doto command. Then, ping the IP address 10.150.50.5. Enter. Then that's it. Then go to the switch, cell I to HS1. So as can you see, the fast internet one now have a MAC address. So interface 0/2 to 24. Oh my god, ba't mali? Ay, interface range 0/2 to 24. Oh, that's it. Then switch port. Switch port. Switch port mode. Access. Then switch port. Security 10. Switch port. Maximum 1. 10. Switch port security violation shutdown. Then MAC address. Switch port. That's it. Then exit. Then shutdown exit to HS1. To HS1. So let's see. Ayan. So next, we need to remove the connection between the laptop and the switch. So then we need to try the another fast internet. So we need the 4. We need to wait until the colors become green. Ayan. Then type the ping, then the IP address of 10.150.50.5, then enter. So as can you see, then next, so do it the same. Okay. Next, number 5. So we need to wait again. So, let's see if they have a MAC address. So the number 4 have a MAC address and the number 5. So let's wait for the another. Okay. Ah, So this is so that's it. So need to check if the 16 is have an IP address, MAC address. Then 4, 8, 9, 10, 16. So it's 21. Then now we're going to the last fast internet 24. That's it. Next, number 7, enable port security where the network admin PC and the two ComLab PC is allowed to access the interface they are currently connected to. So go to cell enter, then type interface e/1, enter, switch port, load access, and switch port, security, switch port, port security. Ouch! Oh, wrong spelling, sorry. Switch port, security, then switch port security maximum 1, then switch port security violation shutdown, then switch port security MAC address TD. That's it. Then exit. Then go to the network admin PC. Well, desktop, IP configuration, go check the HTTP. Then we need to ping. Command prompt. Ping the IP address, then that 150.50.5. So let's wait. Oops. That's on. Then we need to do it again to the CommLab PC1. So for desktop, we need to check. Oops, correct. Then command prompt ping, then that 150.50.5. Enter. Then we need to do it again in the PC2. Need to check. Okay. Command prompt ping, then that 150.50.5. So that's it. So we need to go to the site to check the MAC address. So do hs run crucial run. So let's see. As can you see, the number 2 and the first entire 3 and has a MAC address. So they are the same MAC address. So that's it. Then oops. Number 8. When the student laptop connects to any port in the switch, the port must go to a disabled state. So a stable state. So this is the student laptop. Turn it on. Oops, okay. Then switch it on. Then go to the connection point. Click the straight line. Fast internet. Then what? We need to wait until the color is become green. Desktop IP configuration of statics, but we need is the DHCP. So we need to wait. That's it. Then click we need to wait again. So that's it. Then, as can you see, the connection of the laptop and the switch is shut down. So let's see. Then we need to do HS run, do show run. Oops. Need to see the errors disabled. Where is the disabled? Oops. Here they are. Server 16. Oops, one. Oh my god, they're missing. Here they are. Miss Devon. Oops. Okay, our command is wrong, so we need to try another. Do show interface plus internet 0/1. So then enter. So let's see if they have error disabled. So as can you see, the fast internet one is down, line protocol is down, and or error disabled. So that's it. Number 9, reactivate the interface with an error disabled state when you unplug the student laptop and connect the professor laptop to verify if your port security works. So remove the connection. So let's try if they work. 1. So as can you see, the connection of laptop and the switch is down. So number 10, reactivate interface with or disable state when you unplug the student laptop and connect the professor laptop if it works. So what's on? Okay. So let's see. Oops. To show interface 0/1. 0/1. So, as can you see, the professor laptop is now disabled. So, oops. Then, next is interface, interface plus internet 0/1. shut down. Shut down. Oops. Shut down. Then actually we change to administration down. So let's see. Oops. Then no shutdown. Let's see. Then exit. Then let's see. Okay. Now the fast internet one is okay. Okay, next. Note all password must be encrypted or not obvious in the configuration file. So go to CLI again, then oops, click the wait, exit to H1, then service, let's try what command, service, password encryption, so service, password encryption, so that's it, then okay, that's all. Then as a professor said that we are going to have a banner. So type line console 0, line console 0, then the banner, oops, wrong. Let's see what command we're going to use. My banner. Exit now. So that's it. Then try banner. Okay, then MOTD banner, MOTD, then click. So need to enter the text. So university, copy, then space. So that's it. Then line, okay, then 151, save more, MOTD banner, exit to show. So let's see. So as can you see, the banner is already set. Now, wait. Please, okay. So need to try. the banner is already there. The password. Wait, we forgot to end this. Oops. And then exit. Oops. Password. Oops. Nasakan. Oops. Okay. Enable. Password. Nag-move on. Oops. Nag-move on. Okay. Now go to the PC admin. That's it. And now we try to tell Net if they already set the banner. And the banner is already set. So exit. Oops, sorry. Exit. Okay. Then next, save the running config to start up the config. So this is the last step. Enter then show running config then copy it on. So copy running config start up config, then enter. So that's all. Thank you.